and it can be gone to minus infinite also. So it is starting from -1, -2, -3 and gone like as tends to minus infinity. And integers can be whole numbers. Whole numbers are those numbers which can starting from 0, and it tends to 0 to positive number. So starting from 0 and 0 like a 0, 1, 2 and goes to plus infinity also. Integers can be natural number. Natural numbers are those numbers which can start from 1 and it cannot be negative, nor can be whole number. These numbers starting from 1 and go tends to plus infinity. So natural numbers have many parts like this. Natural numbers can have prime number. These numbers are prime numbers which can divide itself only. They can divisible by 1 or itself, like this 2, 3, 5, 7. And second one is even number. Even numbers are those numbers which can divide by 2 and like as 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd numbers are those numbers which does not divisible by 2, like as 1, 3, 5, 7. Natural number can be composite numbers. In composite numbers are those numbers which can have more than one factor, and it can come in any tables, like as 4. 4 comes in 2 tables, and these have 2 factor 2 into 2. 6 have 2 factor 2 into 3, and like as one. So these are real number. Real number can have a wide area, and another numbers which cannot define on number line are complex number. Complex number are those number which can show in form of iota form. And real numbers have 2 parts, rational number and another one is irrational number. So irrational numbers are those numbers which have non-terminating numbers which cannot be readable, like as √2, √3, 0.01, 0.01 and tends to infinite. We don't know how it's going on. So as you can say that √9 is rational or irrational number. So it is not a irrational number, it is a rational number, because if we have factor then 9 have 3 and 3 factor and goes out 3. So it is a rational number, it is not a irrational number. So it can be rational number in integer form, in natural numbers form. So thank you guys.